So I'm at the property in Pelican Sound that you're interested in. You have a stairwell over here. Your carport would be down here, and plenty of guest parking as well. And then you have elevator access towards the middle of the building. Screen door in the front, so you can get an amazing cross draft. You do have a screened-in lanai as well. To the left when you walk in, you'll find the primary suite. Nice size walk-in closet. Kind of a smaller secondary closet. Shower has an interesting pebble finish at the bottom. The seller was not sure on the age of anything, but I did find 723 up here, so I'm going to guess that was probably when that was installed. Down here I found 4620, and so I'm going to presume that that was the date that the was installed as well, and that's what it states there. So both of these look to be pretty recent. This is your guest bathroom. Nice size guest bedroom with 2 fulls. There's an ample size closet. Full size washer and dryer. Once again, they weren't sure on the exact age, but the paperwork here, in fact this is all paper, tells me that it's probably brand new or at least within the last year. This one, on the other hand, looks reminiscent of what they installed from the beginning. You see a little patina here, so I'm going to guess it's probably the original dryer and a new washer. You have bar stool seating over here, and then more of a formal dining area to the right of it. Looks like a Whirlpool refrigerator and range. Both look like they are in good condition. And both look to be newer as well. They don't look to be original. Dishwasher is also Whirlpool. High rises over at the bay to the left, and then you're looking over at single family homes in Pelican Sound straight ahead, but everything has quite a bit of privacy. You're looking out kind of over the top of all the trees and foliage here. Well, I hope this helps.